This is Neil. In this video, we are going to discuss on very important topic called types of variables in Java. Particularly, if you see that Java, it has three different types of variables. So types of variables. Okay. First one is instance variable. The second one is static variable or class level variable. Okay. Third one is local variable. By this way, there are three types of variables are there in Java. Okay. Now I'm going to explain about what is instance variable. Okay. I'm going to explain about what is instance variable. Now take this example. I create a project. I'm in Eclipse. I'm going to create a project. So file, new Java project. I'm creating a project with the name demo project. Okay. And I click on finish. Now the project is created. In this project, if you see the SRC, so here I delete this. It's already there. So okay, I delete this. I create a new package. I create a new package with the name com.example, or you can give any name. So now it create com is a package, example is a sub package. It create package, sub package is nothing but folder, subfolder. It create that. Now in this com.example, I create a class with the name dog. Dog is a class. Okay, if you need to maximize the screen, just move the cursor over here, double click, get maximize. Now I make a main method. If you need to make a main method, just type main, control spacebar, enter. Generate a main method. Now dog is a class. Dog, it has properties. I make it. It has legs. Dog has 4 legs. And dog, it eat. I make it. Eat is a behavior. Void eat. So what it eat? I just make it system.out.println. That means if you need to make system.out.println, just syso control spacebar. Again, I'm doing. See it. syso control spacebar. Generate system.out.println, or you can enter. Can do that. Okay. Now I make a dog eats bones. Just I make a message. So dog, it has properties. Properties is nothing but variable. Dog, it has color, it has legs, it has like 2 eyes, or it comes under properties. Properties is nothing but variable. Behavior is nothing but dog, it eat, run, bark, jump. All are the behavior of dog. Behavior is nothing but function. Now under this class, if you make a variable like this, so we can call this as an instance variable. Same way, if I define a function under the class, this function we can call instance method. Okay. So this variable and method, if I need to access in main method, compulsorily you need to create an object for the class. So dog is a class, D is a reference or identifier, new is a keyword which will create a permanent memory called heap. Dog with ankle bracket, we can call this as a default constructor. Constructor which is used for creating an object, which is used for initialization of object. So the new dog, we can call this as an object. D is a reference which points to object. You can call this as a reference or identifier, anything. Okay. Now I create an object. Compulsory need to create an object for the class. By using object only can access the method or variable. Without creating an object, we cannot access. That's what you can call creating object. That's what you can call this as an instance object. Instance is nothing but object. Instance, by using object only can access. Now I access the method. Same like that, if I need to access the variable which returns a value, so I can print here. So I can make a d.lex. Now I save this file. If I run this program, just press function F11 or control F11, it get execute and produce a result. Now we create an object for the class. By using object only can access the main method. Without creating an object, we cannot access. So this we can call instance. Instance is variable. By using object you can access. Instance variable, instance method. So compulsory need to create an object for the class. Okay, now if I make some message before d.lex, I can add here dog has plus d dot legs. Now it print dog has 4 and it print dog has 4 legs. Now if I save this file, if I run this program, you can find the output. Wow, eats bones, dog has 4 legs. So we can call this the instance variable instance method. I got a clear idea? Very simple. You can get a clear idea now. Fine. For you people to get clear idea, I make one more example also. Take this example. I create a class with the name bank. Bank is a class. Under this bank class, I make here int amount is a variable. I make the amount as 2000. So what type of variable is this? It's an instance variable. So if you need to access this one in main method, I need to create an object for bank. So I create an object. Now I create one object. Same method I'm going to create one more object. I create two object now. Now two object is there. Now if I need access, I can make a first object. I can print the amount, that is p1 dot amount. Same like the second object. Second object, I print the amount, b2 dot amount. Now I'm printing the amount in both object. Amount is a variable I can access by using reference object reference. Now if I run this, it print first object 2000, second object 2000. Now in the same program, I'm going to change the value of first object, p1 dot amount plus equal to amount, that is I add here 5000. Now plus equal to is nothing but we can call this a assignment operator. That means b1 dot amount equal to b1 dot amount plus 5000, that is 2000 plus 5000. Now I'm changing the value in one object. The changes it reflect in the particular object only, not in second object. Okay, this is what instance. Instance is nothing but if you make any changes in one object, it reflects there the particular object only, not in other object. Take this example in bank. If you are a customer there in the bank, if you deposit 10 lakhs in your account, it reflects in your account only, not in other account. This we can call instance. I think that you got a clear idea. Very simple.
Hi students, if you really like my video, if you enjoy the video, please subscribe and like my channel. So I need your support. Thank you.